What is edge computing? For years, the story of computing has been about moving data to centralized locations for processing. First to on-premise servers, then to the cloud. Edge computing reverses this direction. Edge computing means processing data as close as possible to where it is generated, rather than sending it to a distant data center. The edge refers to devices, sensors, and local servers at the physical location where data originates. Why does this matter? Speed is the primary reason. Sending data to a cloud data center and waiting for a response takes time. For some applications, that delay is acceptable. For others, it is not. A self-driving vehicle cannot wait for a cloud response before deciding whether to brake. A surgical robot cannot tolerate network latency. A factory sensor detecting a machinery fault needs to respond in milliseconds. These applications require processing at the edge. The second reason is bandwidth and cost. Industrial environments, smart cities, and connected devices generate enormous volumes of data. Sending all of it to the cloud is expensive and inefficient. Edge computing processes data locally and only sends relevant results or summaries to the cloud. Edge computing is critical to the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, smart manufacturing, healthcare devices, and telecommunications infrastructure. The rollout of 5G networks is accelerating edge computing adoption globally. For engineers working in IoT, embedded systems, cloud architecture, or telecommunications, edge computing is an increasingly essential area of knowledge.